If you're using a memory card on your Android tablet, it's always best to format it before you start adding files to it. After inserting a card, some tablets will give you a notification where you can format it. Swipe down from the top left corner and see if there's a notification. Mine doesn't show it, so we'll do this through the settings. I'll go to Settings and from there scroll down to Device Care. On some Android versions, this is simply under Settings and Storage. Depends what tablet you're using. Under Device Care, I have my storage options here. By default, it shows my internal storage, but if I swipe to the left, I can view the details for my memory card. To format my card, I can tap the three dots in the upper right corner and choose Format. There's another way to do this, and it's through the File Manager. I'll go to my File Manager, which Samsung calls My Files, and on the sidebar here, I can switch between internal storage and my memory card. I'll select the card and then tap the three dots up top again. Then choose Format, and confirm that you want to format your card. Remember that formatting your card will delete all the files on the card, so make sure to back up any important files before formatting. Formatting will optimize the card for your tablet and create the default folder structure on it, which you'll see here. You can delete, rename, or create more folders, or for example, add a folder to your home screen for quick access. I have videos for all this, so check out my playlist for more if you're interested. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.